All week in our special series, Faces of the Unvaccinated, we've been introducing you to people in our state who refuse to get the COVID vaccine. Tonight, a Connecticut mom who has some legitimate health concerns and says she has turned to deceit to keep peace in her family. You lie about being vaccinated, right?
I have some family members that think that I'm vaccinated. That's correct.
And you do that because?
Well, I don't want to upset them. I don't want to have arguments.
We'll call her Donna. Donna's married, has a 5-year-old, and had COVID in January. Donna has a history of blood clots, so she says her doctor has advised her against taking the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. J&J shots were put on a 2-week pause over the summer after 6 women got blood clots that were tied to the vaccine. Donna says she's reluctant about the others, Moderna and Pfizer, because they use the newer mRNA technology.
It's new. It's never been released on the market before. And obviously with a lot of medications, you don't know side effects until many years later.
It's a new technology for a new disease at a time that we needed a miracle.
Keith Grant is the Senior Assistant Director for Infection Prevention at Hartford HealthCare.
I talked to more than one person who said, look, these mRNA vaccines are new, they're untested, it's the first time they've been used, and they're afraid to take them.
Technology's been in existence for over a decade, but again, it's hard to disprove the fact that it hasn't been effective. It's been very, very effective.
Donna says she has her antibodies tested regularly and makes her decisions with her doctor. She says it's not political. She voted for both parties, last time for Biden. She says none of this should be about politics.
It's been, unfortunately, made political, but it shouldn't be. I mean, people have legitimate concerns, and it's unfortunate that it's become so divisive and, like everything else, become political. In the future, I may get a vaccine, but that decision will be made between me and my doctor, not because my government shames me or because society tries to bully me. You're not going to get people vaccinated that way.
Most experts agree the next stage of this pandemic tug-of-war is happening now over booster shots. And the data does show that over time, effectiveness of the vaccines will decrease. And the push to get booster shots is just